with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are unboxing this month's paper pumpkin. It's called Nests of Christmas. This is the October paper pumpkin. You guys, the November paper pumpkin is going to be so cute. So if you are not yet a subscriber, make sure you sign up. I'll leave the information in the description. So let's see what we have here. This looks like it is some tear and tape. We've got the shaded spruce for our Stampin' spot. Then we've got our pictures. Our stamps. And let's go ahead and see what is in here. My goodness. Let's see what we've got. It should have the pictures in here. That's why I didn't show you the stamps right away. Well, hopefully it has some black and white pictures rather than trying to figure it out. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. Looks like we have some ribbon in here, little pieces of ribbon already cut out. We've got some large dimensionals. We've got some beautiful foil wrapped envelopes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Enough to make 10 cards. This is such a great price when you can make 10 cards for what, $2.50 a card? That's pretty darn good. So we've got some nice cutouts here. It looks like we've got a cardinal and then some really pretty birds. I think this goes with the, I'm gonna look, the winterly treetops. So if you have that set with the dies, you can make some great alternative cards. And speaking of alternatives, we put our cards all together each month on the first Wednesday of the month. So if you purchase a paper pumpkin kit from me, you will get an invitation to that. Or if you are on my team, you get an invitation. So we have a couple types of cards. We have 5 of these, and they're going to be trifolds. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And then this one pops out. So we will see. We'll end up seeing what cards we can make with this. But I don't know if this is extra or if this is going to go on the other piece. We will see. I learn just like you do. And then we've got our foil. Again, this has a beautiful green foil. I don't know if you could see that or not. But we have those little tags to be able to stamp on. And then we've got, again, 2, 4, 5. Another trifold with another piece that can come out. And we will fold this over. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. Super pretty. And there we go. So I'm sure we're going to be putting some birds in there. And now, let's see, my brain is already thinking, what can I do? All right, here we go. Here is that paper. So what you can do is fold that over, and then you keep your stamps right inside here. You can also tape this side and that side and make yourself a little pocket to hold these as well. So we've got Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas. We've got some berries there, some pine or tree branches. We've got some little, that could be snow, that could just be fun dots there, and then a little bird there. And then this one says, joyful thoughts to you this season, which I appreciate the outside greeting and the inside greeting. So you have an inside greeting for those Christmas cards. And then look at that. Look at these beautiful cards. Look at that. So 2 different types of cards, 5 of each, but again, we will be making some alternatives on here to be able to do this. And then it says here to take your crafting to the next level. And I always suggest that you have some of these tools on hand. Definitely a paper cutter. My favorite was the take your pick tool, a pair of snips, and a bone folder. Those, I say, every single crafter should have one of those. And then, of course, if you like playing with embossing or a die cut machine, this is actually a piece to that take your pick tool, but it's sold separately. Or some blending tools. Great items to have. And then, of course, your first paper pumpkin comes with a block. This is my, I don't even know how many paper pumpkin, but I used my one free block a long time ago. So there you go. I would love to have you crafting with me. Again, it's the first Wednesday of each month, and this is going to be filled with alternatives because we have so many great things in here. So it comes with enough to make 10 cards, but I'll tell you, I could probably turn this into, who knows, at least 25 cards if I needed to, but just with everything that it comes, because there's always extra, and with the stamps that go with it, this is going to be a beautiful set. Again, it's too late to get this one, but you could get the next one, which is going to have some little stockings. I can't wait for that one as well. And you just need to order that before the 10th of each month. And you want to cancel before the 10th of each month if you decide there is a paper pumpkin that you're not as fond of. So, all right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.